We are now faced with a scenario that is like this, and the question says that R, which is the intersection between the normal and the curve, R is a point that lies between S and the center of the circle. So between S and the center of the circle tells me that R is here rather than here. So with this, I want to find the length of RS. First, let's try to find the coordinates of S, which I guess it is pretty simple because I can just take this, let y to be equal to 0. So taking this equation over here, at the point S, letting y to be equal to 0, we have a 3 times 0 plus 4x is equal to 20, tells me that x over here is going to be equal to 5. Therefore, I know the coordinates of S must be 5, 0. So let me fill it in here, so 5, 0. And the next thing I want to do is to find the coordinates of R, and that will be solving the simultaneous equation between this and this. So let me quote the pair of simultaneous equation. So I have an x squared plus y squared plus 8x minus 24y plus 96 is equal to 0. I will call this equation number 1. As for equation number 2, we have a 3y plus 4x is equal to 20, which I'm going to make y the subject, and that will give me a minus 4 over 3x plus 20 over 3. This is going to be equation number 2. So what we'll do is to sub equation number 2 into equation number 1. So subbing this into here, it will be x squared plus y squared, which is minus 4 over 3x plus 20 over 3 squared plus 8x minus 24y, which is minus 4 over 3x plus 20 over 3 plus 96. This is equal to 0. So I will have an x squared plus, expanding this will give me a 16 over 9x squared minus 160 over 9x plus 400 over 9 plus 8x minus this 24 minus 24 multiplied in will give me a plus 96 over 3x minus 480 over 3 plus 96 is equal to 0. Simplifying this entire equation gives me a 25 over 9x squared plus 200 over 9x minus 176 over 9 is equal to 0. Multiplying throughout by 9 gives me a 25x squared plus 200x minus 176 is equal to 0. And this can be factorized. Factorizing this gives me a 5x plus 44 and a 5x minus 4 is equal to 0, which means that x is going to be minus 44 over 5, or x is going to be equal to 4 over 5. Which is the value of x that I'm going to choose? This is the value of x that I'm going to choose because it is either this x value or this x value, and since r is the bigger x value, which is this, so this will be not applicable for our situation, which means that the y coordinates of r will be substituting this back into equation number 2, minus 4 over 3 of x, which is 4 over 5 plus 20 over 3. And this will give me y to be 28 over 5, which means that the coordinates of r over here is 4 over 5 and 28 over 5. So let me fill in here also. So r will be this 4 over 5 and 28 over 5. This will definitely help me to find the distance rs, which is between these 2 points. So making use of the coordinates of the 2 points, it is going to be square root of 4 over 5 minus 5 square, x1 minus x2 square, plus 28 over 5 minus 0 square. And this will give me 7.